and some sweat when the heat is on. Come on in to the Archer Life. Someone want a painting to be sold. Yeah, I need the checks. Someone in the gallery is going to sell the raffle tickets. When you get in there, we're going to have entertainment, and we're going to eat a lot of chili. And we're going to cool our mouth off with a lot of ice cream. We set up all the tables up. So from here and all the way around coming out. This is where the beer area is going to be at. If you want the beer, or pop, or water, whatever you want. The winners get a spoon. It could be a large spoon, gigantic spoon, or it could be a small spoon. I don't care what size spoon, it must fit in your mouth. And I don't know who go win. You make the best winner take all. I hope it won't catch on fire and this chili gonna be hot and ready and spicy to try your mouth get flames. I hope you have the best time of your life. Our band gonna be a big hit. Come and call our band and go wild. And thanks for everything when you help us with the chili cook-off. Thank you very much.